Fixing this roof. I'm going to remove the tiles on this side, that side, because the guy has a water leak. It looks like it's been repaired before, but unsuccessfully. Well, right now I'm coming with a new idea, I don't know if it's a better idea, but hopefully it works. We're removing the tiles. You see how you're supposed to remove the tiles? See? Just lift them from the bottom and then remove the nail. This roof, for example. So let's see it. You see the water is coming through here. See where the water stains? Somebody tried to do a repair here already, but the problem is there's a lot of water dripping from this roof, splashing into the lower roof, and when the water goes back, it leaks into the felt, and it start leaking and then it rusted the nails. It start leaking on it. So for that, when you have like a lower roof and there's another level on the, let's say that like this, let's say this is an example, make sure that you put some gutters right here, so that way you prevent the splash of the water on the lower roof, and then that's gonna create leaks. All right, guys, that's my advice, okay, to any homeowners. So in the future, you might not have leaks right away, but in the future you're gonna have water leaks, so please count on that. Por favor. Thank you. As you can see, when you have a tile roof, you have to understand that the debris accumulates on the valley, and then it creates like a damp. And this water and this mud right here creates like a weight for the water to run off the valley, and then start leaking on the, you see the moisture right here on the paper. So that's how it looks. As you can see, all the debris accumulate on the valleys. If you don't have enough slope. Oh, the other thing I want to show you before you remove the tiles, mark them, okay, put a number on them. I usually start from the bottom. See, this is number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5. So that way I know where they go, because if you misplace them, then later on you're gonna have a hard time when you put them back together. You don't know where they go, and you're gonna waste your cuts. Okay, so see, this ones too, they already have the number. I put them away, and that's the way they go. And that guy is blowing off the roof. Now we're gonna put the peeling stick underneath, and then we're gonna start from up all the way down. Aquí podemos ver que había un despige. El compa Cora se encontró con este despige. Para los que no entienden qué es un despige, pregúntenle al Chapín. Chapín, ¿qué es un despige? Chapín, ¿qué es un despige? Explícale al público. Mira cómo se pasaba el agua. Oh my God. Oh my gatos. Quítala de abajo, viejo. Eso, eso. Eso. Mira más que despige.
Si no está madreado la madera.
No creo. Mira nomás. This is what happens when you have a low slope. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh my gatos. Oh my gatos.
¿No quieres más?
Sí.
¿Qué chapa no? Tiene una línea ahí.
Pues, sí. The guy has a water leak on the wall, but I think it's coming from the fireplace. I'm lifting off the tiles on the fireplace, and it looks like it's, the water it's coming from here. See it? So when it rains, it even damaged the paper already. See it? I can see the, oh my gosh, you see? It's all damaged. See, the water is coming from the fireplace. And the guys somebody tried to fix the water leak down there already, and they didn't care to open here. So see, that's what I'm telling you, everything gets damaged with the traffic, with people walking on the roof, and then who pays the penalty is the homeowner, because he's the one who's gonna have to pay for the future repairs. So not criticizing anyone, I'm just saying that companies should be more careful when they do the final touch-ups. See how much water is coming, and it's running underneath the valley. That's why nobody can stop the water leak. Interesting. Así, estíralo. Así, mira, Chapín, así aprende como tu maestro. Ese de la gorra, mira, ya lo partió, hijo del diablo, maldito. Lo estoy grabando, plebe. No se mueva, no se mueva, no se mueva. No hable, plebe, no hable. Plebe. Te estoy grabando la pura pata. La del 8. Te estoy grabando la del 8. We're gonna fold the edge on that valley. And that gray one, it's a peeling stick. After you have a water leak, I think Self-Adhere is the way to go. Okay, don't go with, well, you can go with 30 pound as long as the Self-Adhere, I think, is the best way to go. Safer, faster, easier. Dale. Snap check lines like this. Snap. Ahí está. The first course supposed to overlap 1 inch. I mean, supposed to hang out 1 inch past the burst stop. I mean the E-riser. The second course supposed to overlap 3 inches on top of the first course, and so on. So the minimum it's 3 inches head lap. How to replace a broken tile. This tile is broken, you see it? It's all cracked. Get your flat bar. You're gonna get this side, you're gonna pry it and then crank it out like this. This is going to elevate the tile, and then you're gonna take your pry bar. You're gonna get the tile right there, I mean the nail. You're gonna lift up the nail, then you're gonna twist to your right or left. See, and then you're gonna remove the nail. Once you remove it, you remove it, and then you're gonna clean up the nail hole, and then get your mastic, seal the hole. And this one has like a little notch over here. This tile has like a little notch. It's going to prevent the water from running off. Grab your next tile. You're gonna put some cracking on the channel, on the channel of the tile right here, a little bit, and get your tile, slide it in. That's it. That's simple. That's how you replace a tile. Okay. example, somebody cut this tile. So what you're gonna elevate the tile, not the tile next to it. You're gonna elevate the tile on top of it, like this, like this. See it? Now you can see the nail. It's right there. See it? Just twist it. See how the nail's coming off? Yeah, go like this, like this. Twist it to your right. And right here, elevate it. Take it off. See it? Okay, you want to elevate the tile. See the nail hole? Get some mastic, seal it. Get your wire brush. Clean up the channel. Get your Rain Buster 850. Put some caulk in there. See? Same thing that the dentists use on your teeth. It's called bridge. You're gonna bridge the tiles together like this. See? Simple. See? Here we are, we're done. We use the same tiles and then we replace the broken ones. But now this is a discontinued tile, so we try to match as much as I could. I have some boneyard tiles in my house, and I use them. But anyway, this highway, this is how we did it, and we use 100% peeling stick over the entire house, the entire area. That area, the first 12 courses, they have foam adhesive. It's a tile adhesive for tile applications. We used it because right here the nails they went through because it has like a half an inch shiplap, and all the nails were going to show on the bottom, so I decided to use peeling stick and then foam adhesive. And then what I could right here on this area, I use nails, 80 nails. Then I have to remove the value on that side to tuck the peeling stick underneath the paper from that side, and also I did on the other side. I replaced some broken tiles and hopefully we won't have any more leaks. Right guys, sayonara.